1 cup of frozen cherries, pitted. Then we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, 2 teaspoons of ginger. We have some mint, we have some ice, we've added some almond milk. Okay, so my name is Silvestro. For anybody who's new, I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago, and it took me 18 months to lose my weight. So today I'm going to bring to you food that you can eat, that you can enjoy. You don't need to starve yourself, you don't need to go on any silly diets. Diets? What's that? I haven't been on a diet 18 years ago. Our first recipe is our Christmas smoothie. Yes, we are making a smoothie. This smoothie would be fantastic of a morning. So that way you get up, you go for your walk, you come back, and you want to put something inside your stomach so you are full until you come to lunch. Because half the time is that when you are hungry, you tend to snack on sugary type food. So we're going to do a smoothie to get the ball rolling. Okay, so our Christmas smoothie, my very own Christmas smoothie. Cherries, because they'll give this smoothie a really nice, creamy, smooth texture. That's the reason behind it. So, I just use just normal frozen berries. Let's put that inside so that I can make tonight. There we go. I'll put that there so you can see. Pitted frozen cherries. Once we've done our cherries, use the Joanna brand, the organic Joanna. Let's put a few little, there we go, 2 tablespoons. You can leave the stalks out. Fresh mint. There's some inside. Wow. Look at the colours we have here. It's Christmas. Red, white and green. Why call the Christmas smoothie. Some cinnamon. Another Christmas. So let's put 1 and just another one. So 2 tablespoons. Teaspoons, sorry. And followed by ginger. Another Christmas delight. 1 and 2. Flaxseeds has full of fibre, and why not add to them because they're just fine. So let's add 2 teaspoons of protein powder. Because the protein powder will keep you fuller for longer as well. And this one's a vanilla flavour. So 1 and 2. We need some ice cubes to make it nice and cold. 1, 2. Organic almond milk. Once again, full of protein. 1 cup of frozen cherries, pitted. Then we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, 2 teaspoons of ginger. We have some mint, we have some ice, we've added some almond milk. Stop that, let's give it another shake. Because sometimes we'll get some of the powders and stuff that went on the bottom part. And let's give it another. Wow, that is really nice. Wow. Wow. Ho ho ho. That's really nice. Is add some coconut on top, sprinkle that, some mint, that smells very pretty. And of course, it's a cherry. We might sink in. There you have it, your Christmas smoothie. It's really nice. Wow. Santa Claus will be happy with that. Okay, that's time. I'm Silvestro, Weight Loss King. Thank you for watching another episode of Let's Cook. I'll see you next year with our new segment where it's 5 ingredients of quick, easy, delicious recipes that will take you no longer than 10 minutes or less to prepare. Thank you. Merry Christmas, stay safe, and ciao. Taste. Wow. Wow. Ho ho ho. That is really nice.